This year, skip those frustrating string lights. Check out this RGB floodlight, it's so amazing. It's tiny, you can easily hide it anywhere in your yard. It's super easy to use, but the effect is top tier. Outdoors, it can instantly transform your house into a red and green holiday theme. Or if you want something cooler, you can switch it to ice blue. It's waterproof, so snow is no problem. Indoors, you can place it under your Christmas tree to cast a soft colored light, adding a really cozy vibe to your home. The atmosphere when the family unwraps gifts will be fantastic. The most convenient part? You don't have to go outside. Use a remote control to adjust the color, brightness, and even set it to turn on and off automatically. If you want your Christmas decor to be easier and look better, try this light. I put the link below. Go check it out.